Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. This is still day one, but if you have seen our previous vlog, you know what's going on. If you haven't, just go look at it. We are doing short vlogs so we can reach out to you and you can see them. And we are still here. I'm doing some paperwork and stuff. Only thing we are waiting on is doctor to come in and do her cervix exam. Besides that, I think we are good. We are settled in for a couple of days here. So let's go and get our hospital bags from the car now. I'm back in the room. I got the suitcases and I am relaxing over here and she is over there. I just moved my recliner thingy
So you could see my face.
so I can see her face and talk to her. So yep, we are still waiting for her cervix exam and then we can decide what's the plan. I'm trying to find my way to the cafeteria. Tanya is in the room. They have a gift shop here. Right here they have a gift shop. And then they have the bistro. They have a coffee bistro here, which is gonna be my thing. And I think they have the cafeteria down this alley. Hopefully I'll find it. It's a little bit far. Because the lift is broken, I guess. I think I found it. Found the cafeteria. Oh my god, there it is. Let's go check this out. They have gingerbread decoration. Okay guys, first meal in the hospital. She's done with her cervix exam. They put the Foley inside her cervix to help her dilate, and a little tabby for effacement. And her food is over here. So
Let me tell you what it is.
yeah.
The hot food is like beef lasagna cup, sauteed zucchini, and warm peach cobbler slice. And then garden salad cup, mixed melon, and like iced tea, unsweetened iced tea, bread and butter. Yeah.
She has a whole buffet going here. And our plan is to I'm gonna ask Nitish to get something for later tonight and then eat that. We have asked Nitish to drop some food for us for dinner, and right now we are just having a little bit of whatever they gave us. It's not that bad. Peach cobbler is good.
Salad is good. Beef lasagna is good.
This is good. It's not bad.
Yeah.
Food is decent. I wouldn't expect anything more than this.
Yeah.
So, what is this? Cucumber?
Zucchini.
Ah.
Eat the bread. You won't like the zucchini.
Anyways, we are gonna eat some food. It's 4:30 and then we'll have dinner around 7 because she has another exam at 8:30. So, and then we'll see where the night takes us.
Yeah.
Getting some cornflakes for Tanya and some water. Alright, Tanya needs to go to the bathroom and I have been taught some medical science here. I have to take off her from the machine and help her go to the bathroom. Yes. Alright, baby. So, Tanya just had another exam. Everything is going well. She's just lying down over there. And we just got some food over here. So I'm gonna eat first and then I'm gonna give some to her. We got chicken biryani and butter paneer and rice. So yeah, she just came and dropped it for us. So I guess it's a low-key night today. It's just the waiting game because they're waiting on the cervix to dilate at least 4 centimeters. So we can go from there. Right now it's at 1 or 2 centimeter. So that's all the updates, and I'm gonna have some dinner. I think they may give her something to sleep as well, but we'll see. So like I said, it's a waiting game. We have had our meals. She has had her 8:30 exam. Time is 9 p.m. and they're gonna give her something to relax and sleep, so she can sleep right now because there is no action happening right now. And I am setting up my bed over here, and then we are gonna just relax for some time because her next exam is at 12:30, which is like 3.5 hours apart.
12:30?
Yes.
What's up?
So yep, so I guess we'll see. I'll update you guys at 12:30. This is 1:45 p.m. update. Tanya is having intense contractions. She is on the ball, yoga ball. So she was lying down, but it was too painful, so we asked for the yoga ball and the monitor that she can basically take around with her. So she's gonna try some walking, some like doing circles on the yoga ball and stuff like that. She's doing great so far.
Yeah.
Good job. All right, so that's our 1:45 a.m. update. All right, 2:45 a.m. update. We just gave something to Tanya, fentanyl, so she can sleep for at least 2 hours because it eases her pain. Hey guys, back in the bathroom. Time is 7:30 and I just got freshened up. Haven't slept. I slept for 20 minutes. Tanya at around 5 a.m. she took epidural and then she is now resting. She's 5 centimeters dilated and going into active labor anytime soon. They have given her a little bit of pitocin. She's 100% effaced, so it's all gonna start happening anytime now. So I'm gonna end this vlog here because I cannot shoot active labor, and maybe when we see you in our next vlog, you're gonna have a baby. So anyways, thank you for watching. I'm gonna see you guys in the next vlog.